Hey everybody, it's Delaney with Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa, and today I'm going to take you through the 2026 KZ Connect 301 BHKSE. This is a mid to large size family bunkhouse travel trailer that sleeps up to 10 with 2 bathrooms, 2 entrances, and a queen size bed. Before I get too far into the video, please make sure to like and subscribe, let us know what you think in the comments down below, and make sure to check out this unit on our site at premierrv.com. On the outside, you've got a dual axle, sleek and modern looking fiberglass exterior travel trailer here. This is UVA and UVB resistant gel coated fiberglass exterior. That's really important for keeping your camper looking brand new for years to come and resisting that sun bleaching and sun fading. Around front, you've got that rock guard protection that's going to protect your unit during travel. You've also got a electric tongue jack and two 20-pound LP tanks that come with this unit. You've got a really nice and finished pass-through storage compartment, which is also where you'll find your solar inverter prep. This unit does come with roof-mounted solar prep in case you wanted to add solar in the future. You've got a nice docking station on the outdoor side. It's really going to make camp setup nice and easy for you. And to make travel easy, you've got aluminum wheels with radial tires. It's really going to make things more smooth traveling and just make things easier for you to handle. This unit also runs off of 30 amp service with a detachable power cord, and of course you've got a nice battery disconnect. Around back is where you'll find your rear camera prep. And although this unit does not have a ladder or a ladder receiver, the roof is fully walkable. And you've got a one-piece seamless PVC roofing membrane that's tear resistant, UV resistant, and it's going to help keep this thing nice and sealed. Coming back around to the campsite, you've got a nice outdoor kitchen here with a little 12-volt fridge and a griddle. A couple of other outdoor features you have on this unit are 4 manual stab jacks, a heated, insulated, and enclosed underbelly, and of course your solid entry steps. Stepping inside your main entry door is where you'll find your monitor panel. That's where you will control your slides, your awnings, as well as find information on your battery levels, tank levels, etc. You've also got this huge walk-in closet with coat hooks, shelves, and just a ton of space right when you walk in that front door, which is going to be great for some coats and shoes and things like that. You'll also find your radio, which is AM, FM, Bluetooth radio on the wall as you walk in. You've got both indoor and outdoor speakers for that, so it's really a nice touch. In the main living space, you have this really nice jackknife sofa here with a pull-down middle console with cup holders. This is going to provide a little extra sleeping space for your kids or maybe some extra guests and things like that. Throughout the unit, you also have these blackout roller shades here that's really going to do a nice job at keeping out any unwanted outdoor light. And a little trick is to keep those down in the hot summer days to also help keep the unit cool. I really enjoy all the window space on this unit. I think it really allows for a more open feel floor plan. Next to the couch is where you'll find your booth-style dinette. This does fold down into another bed, again for some extra sleeping space for kids, guests, or whoever. Right across from the dinette is where you'll find your kitchen. You've got seamless counters in this unit and a nice large single basin stainless steel sink. That is an undermount sink, which is also a nice touch. You've got a ton of overhead storage as well, and you've got high quality handcrafted cabinet doors throughout this unit with those magnetic door catches and residential hardware on all of the cabinets in this unit as well. For your drawers, you've got really high quality roller ball bearing drawer glides. It's really going to keep these drawers nice and sturdy throughout their use. And for kitchen appliances, you have a 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge, a microwave, a 3-burner stovetop, and an oven. So really, you have everything you need to keep your family fed and satisfied throughout the remainder of your adventures. Moving on, next to the kitchen is where you will find your entertainment center. This comes with TV, antenna, and cable hookup, as well as a TV bracket location in case you wanted to add a TV later on. You've also got a nice electric fireplace down below to keep this thing nice and cozy. And of course, some extra storage for board games or DVDs or whatever else you want to put in there. Moving on, you've got a really nice rear bunk area. You've got 2 double over double bunks with 500-pound weight ratings on each. You've also got a window in each bunk and a light and USB charging ports in each. You've got some extra storage space underneath both bunks, and right across from the bunks you have a little dresser here with an outlet and a cute little window. And right above that window you will find another TV antenna and cable prep in case you wanted to put a TV in this little bunkhouse area. Moving on, and last but not least in the bunkhouse section is your little half bath. You've got a 12-volt exhaust fan in this little half bath, a plastic foot flush toilet, as well as, of course, your sink with a ton of storage space in this little bathroom. It'll be perfect to put all of your kids' toiletries and things like that in. And this whole little bunkhouse area is honestly my favorite part of the whole floor plan. To have a bath and a half and a bunkhouse, as well as a full separate bedroom in a 35-foot long unit. That's just something that you don't see very often. Speaking of full bathroom, you've got a full walk-through bathroom here with some under sink cabinet space as well as a little open cabinet. You'll also find an outlet and your tankless water heater control in this bathroom as well. Above the sink, you've got a nice large medicine cabinet with a nice large mirror on those two doors. Across from that, you have your walk-in shower here with a shower curtain and built-in shelves and a skylight. You've also got a 12-volt exhaust fan and a plastic foot flush toilet in this bathroom as well. Last but not least, we have the separate bedroom. You've got a nice queen-size bed here. You also have another AC in this bedroom, so you have two ACs in total on this unit. The one in the main living space is a 15K BTU AC, and the one in this bedroom is a 13.5K BTU AC. You've also got a TV mount in this bedroom in case you wanted to add a TV. You have two ward-style closets on either side of the bed, as well as an open overhead storage. Of course, you've got the underbed storage, and you've got two bedside shelves / compartments for your books, your phones, and things like that. You've also got some drawer space underneath the bed, which always just makes things feel a little bit more high quality. So that was the 2026 KZ Connect 301 BHKSE. Again, it sleeps up to 10. You've got a full separate bedroom, a full bunkhouse, and a bath and a half in this unit, all jam-packed into just 35 feet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a like, subscribe, let us know what you think in the comments down below. Check out all of our social media linked in the description down below, and this unit is available on our site now at premierrv.com. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.